Hello, friends. This is Raki. Welcome to my channel. I am glad you have visited here. I am hoping that at the end of my videos, I am able to help you in my small little ways. My channel is for Thosia, who wants to start a YouTube channel. B, who wants to grow their channel since C, loves YouTube tutorials. One of them, please join in my channel through subscribing, commenting about your ideas, hit like button as well. Happy to be a part of your journey here in YT world.
Now let's begin.
So the last time we talked about how to set up our YouTube account. So this time, we are going to set up our channel banner, channel maker in our YouTube account. So let's go to Chrome Beta or Google Chrome. Type www.youtube, our channel. Let us wait for a while. Then go to your channel and then click customize channel, click Chrome, continue to studio. So on this part, this one, we have the layout for a while. On the last part, we have the layout, channel customization. So let's go to the branding. So as you can see, we already have the profile picture. If you want to remove that or change anytime, you can do that. But for today, we will be uploading a banner image. So this image will appear across the top of your channel. For the best results on all devices, use an image that's at least 2048 by 1152 pixels and 6 MB or less. So let's try to upload. Start a YouTube channel. Let's see. For a while. Let's do it again. Viewable on all devices. This is a viewable on desktop and viewable on TV. So we will choose the viewable on all devices. Done. So this is how your channel banner looks like. We'll zoom this one. So this is for the mobile phone, this is for the desktop and TV. So if you already like that, then you can publish. If not, you can remove anytime. Okay, but in my case, I'd like to publish that, so I'll check publish. Let's try to find out how it looks like here. Go to your channel. Tingnan natin ko, yes, okay. So this is how it will look like. Start YouTube step by step. YouTube's journey. So that's it. So I hope you have learned something from our video today. Next time we will be creating another tutorial for YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.